Suspension has the parts you need to solidify your S550 Mustang and give you a whole new driving experience. Massive improvements from factory bushings. The entire bushing kit helps your car maintain proper alignment, reduces wheel hop, and improves the handling of your car no matter the circumstances. Keeping your transmission and shifter mounted securely are areas for improvement in your factory Mustang. See and feel the difference. All you have to do is hop into the driver's seat and enjoy the ride. Visit EnergySuspension.com for more information and to see our entire product line. Energy Suspension, handling precision, control.